Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to assign values to variables. So let's suppose that your aim is to assign the value 25 to the variable x. To perform this kind of operation in R, you have to use two symbols of your keyboard, the symbol minus and the symbol major. So you have to create a kind of arrow with the direction toward the variable. Then press enter, and if you digit x and then press enter, you can see that 25 now is a value stored in the variable called x. The operation of assignment works also in the opposite direction. I mean, this command works the same. R is a case-sensitive software, so if you use X in capital letter, this variable is different by this variable. So if you press X, you can see that this value has not overwritten the value 25. If you want to display the list of variables you have defined in your workspace, just type ls with round brackets, then press enter. So you can see the list of variables you have defined till now. There is another way to perform the operation of assignment in R by using the command assign. In this case, the line command is a little bit different. In this position, you have to insert the name of the variable. And here the value. Yes, there is a mistake in the name of the function. Okay, so now digit A. Okay, you can use also string as variable name, for example result, but you cannot use space. You can use underscore, but you cannot use special symbol like this, like this, like this. You can use the dot. Okay, that's all. See you in the next video tutorial.